I'll show you how to connect Claude to your email, create and send custom responses, plus tips to maximize the free version. I have 11 emails I want to answer with AI, most being partnership requests, so I want Claude to respond to all these emails. I use the desktop version, it's the first link in the description. To give Claude access to your emails, go ahead and select Claude Customized, then you can connect apps to Claude. Here are plugins for Google Calendar, GitHub, Outlook. There are so many extensions. Just search for Claude's Gmail integration and connect. The same skill works for Microsoft Outlook, but it has to be a professional email address to connect to Microsoft, which is why we're using a Gmail today. Awesome. Now that we link Claude to your email, we want the prompt AI to respond to all 11 emails, create custom responses, and since I know these are collaboration requests, I always ask these 2 qualifying questions because I only want to show you guys tools that I believe will actually help you out and provide value. Now while this loads, if you didn't know, I recently quit my full-time job to do YouTube full-time, and by quit, I mean I was fired about 10 weeks ago to this day. And so now simple things like hitting that like button, maybe subscribing, really go a long way to supporting my girlfriend, go ahead and hang out with the dog, even taking the dog fishing every couple of weekends. Those simple things, even drop a comment if you're feeling extra generous, really enable me to make more videos like this one and provide value and stay up to date on all things tech, which is what I'm trying to do for you and for this channel. Fantastic. So Claude's email extension drafted all 11 responses, made personalized responses, which is the best type of email management. Now, something that's really important on Gmail is if you go ahead in your Gmail drafts, it's already linked to the same conversation thread. So you can go ahead and see their email, see your response, and go ahead and send it. And it kind of looks the same to the receiving audience. Now, the first time I used this, I used the Outlook application on my computer, but still connected Gmail through Claude. And when you go ahead and open the Outlook drafts, it's not linked to the previous conversation. So if you're using the Claude Gmail skill, be sure to respond to emails within Gmail, not Outlook. Then simply go through and respond to each one. Now, the most important part of this video is maximizing the number of responses you can send using only the free version. The process we just used allows you to respond to 10 to 20 emails every 5 hours. But I found a nice workaround that allows me to respond to 50 emails every morning, so just stick with me here. Click projects in the upper left. Here's where I'm creating what I call my Claude email agent. Create a project, give it a name like email responses, with the goal of achieving a Claude email workflow automation. I'm going to select my workflow so you can see exactly what I did. The first thing you want to do is add instructions to Claude to use every time it responds to your emails. Personally, I made Claude write mine. I asked it to scan my email and identify the way that I write, the way I think. Create me instructions that maximizes what I could do in the free version. It recognized my tone of voice, so it doesn't have to search for that every time. It was pretty spot on identifying the different ways that I write differently. And then all I did is copied this. I went back into projects, opened up instructions, and then went ahead and pasted it here. Number 2 was just as important, as you want to go ahead and upload files that are relevant to what you're going to be talking about in your emails. I uploaded a Square invoice so Claude knows my pricing. This invoice was only 1 PDF. It was 3 pages and only used 2% of the whole project capacity. But this all means nothing if people aren't emailing you. The next thing is to go ahead and create a digital business card. It pairs really nicely with the email signature. You can put a QR code down here. Plus, it's our most popular video on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.